They give up that shot. Titira si Locsin and offensive foul ang itatawag.
Nabigat yun. I think it's more of a let-go situation at that stage of the play.
Sayang yung Dr. J, no?
I think it's more of a let-go because ang nangyari, Popcola moved the ball well around. They were able to get a mismatch underneath. See, they got a mismatch. There is a small guy. Nolly is coming
Ako, Dr. J.
Sa
Arte pa, oh.
oh,
Flap
sa-
pa yung ano. So that nullifies a basket.
And what happened here? May technical
na itatawag.
On whom?
Baka si Chot Reyes ang pinalakpak. Tinawagan for clapping. Sabi ng referee, baka masyado yatang sarcastic yung pagpapalakpak ni Chot Reyes. Pero Dr. J, that last call was a non-call if ever.
For
Dahil
me, it should have been a non-call. I mean, Nolly got the advantage of a mismatch. And Pop did it that way. No? Ginalaw nila ang bola. So, sayang na nawala yun. Tapos you lose another point because of the technical that hurts.
yan ang mga ayan, no? Wala namang contact at saka walang advantage as Nolly Locsin went straight up. Sana kung binangga niya, no?
Correct. That's why. Should have been no call. I don't think there was a foul also on the part of the defender.